There's nothing wrong with Innoson Motors, ethics. Every profession has ethics. At the beginning of the government, because of the insecurity in Imo State, we had cost to buy a lot of vehicles. And I decided to choose Innoson because he's a local manufacturer, just to patronize him. And we placed the order for him to supply us a vehicle for over 5.3 billion naira. Incidentally, there's no workshop in Imo State where his vehicle can be repaired. And part of the agreement was he will put a workshop in place. As I speak to you, 70% of the vehicles are granted. We've paid him over 3 billion naira and no workshop to maintain the vehicles. So and this taxpayers' money, I'm saying, come and, as promised, come and do the workshop so that we can repair the vehicles and get value from them before we can pay more money. And he's trying to go about to create sentiments and here and there. I came also from the private sector. We don't throw away money. We have to get value for money. So if you think that is by going around rather than bring a mobile workshop, which he promised, in fact, his promise is that he will put a mobile workshop first on ground for us to be servicing the vehicles, and then he will build a permanent workshop. So I thought it was a good thing patronizing our local manufacturer, and he has refused to live up to expectation. But it will be resolved. I advise him to allow wise counsel to prevail.
Okay.